Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're back out here doing more dirt work. We've been getting a lot more metal coming across here on the east side of the roof. I think tomorrow we're going to be jumping to the west side, maybe, wait and see. But now we're back down here on the ground, back out here again at the Bobcat. And I'll get a little bit of video, probably not much, of moving dirt around the Bobcat because you've already seen me do it over on the west side, or on the south side. And I'm going to include him in this video also, working, leveling stuff out with the backhoe, and also packing the dirt down with our 14840. So I'll grab a little bit of video here, getting this stuff moved around. In fact, Dad just dropped this load of sand here off, and he's actually heading back. He's actually getting another load of dirt right now, and I'm going to level some of this out a little bit better with the Bobcat with what I can. Like I said, the backhoe is a whole lot easier to work with because I got more reach. But we'll see what we can do here, and I'll show you their stuff working with the backhoe and also with the 4840. Well, we got the backhoe brought back down here, so we brought in several more trailerfuls of dirt. I'm going to shove this back up here, get leveled out, and then we'll get it packed down. This job will be done. Well, for now anyway. I got that halfway smoothed up around there, about like what we want. Because going right through there is the line where the post will be, coming right down through here and about into this corner. And then over that next set of tuber boards. Dad's over there mowing grass. But this will at least give the truck something to drive on. And we may need to bring a little bit more dirt in, just have to wait and see. But now I'm gonna grab the 4840. Well, I got the 48 out here. This thing works good for packing dirt down because you got the big fat tires on the front, 20 weights across here. So you got 2,000 pounds or 100 pounds a piece. And so I just go up and down, and that helps pack it out good. I've already done it on that side. And I actually came all the way across here and up that west side over there until we brought more dirt in. So let's get packing. We'll jump inside here and I'll put you back outside that you can see better out there. Yeah, like I said, they work pretty good. Just go up and down. There we are on the back. Since I don't have the duals on this tractor, it's actually better because it helps add more weight to just one tire, so you get more PSI on the ground, which for packing down dirt is what you want. Now there's one set of tracks, and of course I just keep going back and forth, and that just keeps packing it out. It works pretty good. Just run right side by side of your track. Go back and forth. There we come up the back. Off and running. Alrighty, well, that's got it packed down fairly decent. Like I say, that square over there, those 2x4s, the line for the south end of the shed's going to come right straight across here approximately. And so we don't want a bunch of dirt this way too much because when you're drilling post holes, we don't want a bunch of sand going right back down the hole. So that's why we're actually keeping it back a little bit from the edge until we're all done. And then of course right there's that line of poles coming down to approximately right in this spot. But that's got it packed down pretty good. The old 48 worked pretty well for a packer. So hey, I'm going to call this an end of the video. So take care. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.